My original plan for a long time was to do architecture, and then I realised that I actually quite liked physics and maths, so I thought, oh well, I can squish those together and kind of get civil engineering out of that.
I was attracted to civil engineering because I used to work with my father. He's a mason, and I used to work with him before going to university. I like the fact that you can work with different materials in the construction site. You get to understand how the different systems work within a building. And I also like the fact that at the end of the day, you can see what you have built. And you also can know that those buildings may last for 100 years or so.
I was interested in civil engineering, in doing civil engineering, because I started working as a draftsman when I was 14. And so I worked in there and got an interest in it. Also, I just liked the variety of it, you know. It could be on the side of a mountain one day, working on wind farms, in the office the other day, and that kind of thing. I enjoyed the variety of it.
So in my PhD project, I am studying the conservation of earth and vernacular buildings in Ireland. Vernacular architecture embodies the sustainability concepts of environmental, sociocultural and economic aspects. By understanding vernacular architecture, we can define and propose a new series of strategies to develop a contemporary sustainable architecture.
My research area is in environmental fluid dynamics, which sounds like a complicated title, but essentially it's in engineering some kind of a system involving fluids, which for me is generally air or water. And in both cases, the focus is on trying to reduce the polluting impacts of either water pollution, air pollution, in a more energy efficient way, because both consume a lot of energy. But on the water side, some of them are to do with developing hydropower turbines that work in water pipe networks. And so there are places in water pipe networks where energy is purposely wasted because the pressure is too high. And so we're developing turbines that take that pressure rather than wasting it, generate a bit of electricity.
Trinity's great for engineering because you can travel with your degree and people all over the world are going to be like, that's a good degree. The lecturers are amazing. They've got great connections into industry, and the main building for civil engineering, the museum building, is gorgeous, really old, and it's probably one of the nicest buildings on campus. Yeah, we do some really interesting projects as well, some which you can really see how they're going to be useful in your career and further on down the line and stuff.
I like the environment of the civil engineering department. Working here is very relaxed. The technician staff is very professional and is always able to help. I think we have a very good multidisciplinary team of postdocs, PhDs and professors.
The best answer to why I study in Trinity is that it's the #1 university in Ireland, and by significant margins has been the top ranked university in Ireland for the last many years. If I was a student choosing where should I go for my education, I'd want to go to the best place. I think that's really the simple answer.
No idea. I think it might take me anywhere actually. Civil engineering and its different fields of application are very numerous. Who knows? I may even build my own eco-village with friends and family in the future.
And I'm hoping, summer exam results pending, that I'll be in Auckland next year, and then there afterwards, I'm very interested in the environment and environmental sustainability and stuff. Honestly not sure, but I know that I'll end up in some decent civil engineering job somewhere in the world and it'll be, we'll see where we go.